Let's start by talking about eating turmeric every day. It's not just about the spice, there's a rich history and culture behind it. People have been using turmeric for a long time, not just in cooking but also in traditional practices. It's like a superhero spice. Now, imagine this. We're going to uncover some amazing things about turmeric and how it can be your health ally. But wait, I won't spill all the beans just yet. There's a lot more to come. We'll explore its roots, its significance, and the fantastic health perks that might just convince you to make it a part of your daily life. The power of curcumin. Imagine curcumin as the superhero inside turmeric, the one that brings the real health punch. So, curcumin is like the powerhouse of turmeric. Curcumin is like the shield that fights off bad things in your body, kind of like a superhero protecting your health. Now, here's the cool part. Curcumin is like an anti-inflammatory ninja. It fights inflammation, which is like the bad guy causing trouble in your body. And if that wasn't enough, curcumin is also an antioxidant warrior. It helps clean up all the free radicals, the little troublemakers that can harm your cells. But wait, there's more. Curcumin might even play a role in preventing chronic diseases. It's like your health guardian, working behind the scenes to keep you safe from the big health challenges. So, to sum it up, curcumin is the superhero compound in turmeric that fights inflammation, tackles free radicals, and might even help prevent serious health issues. Turmeric for joint health. Turmeric seems to have this special power. It's like a natural support system for your joints. Imagine it as a gentle caretaker, making sure your joints stay comfortable and flexible. Now, for those who face the challenge of arthritis, turmeric might be like a superhero in action. It's not here to replace your doctor's advice, but it could be an extra ally in managing arthritis symptoms. Turmeric could be that friendly force, helping to ease the stiffness and discomfort that sometimes comes with arthritis. And guess what? It's not just a random claim. Science has put turmeric under the microscope, and the results are pretty exciting. Studies have shown that turmeric might indeed have some serious benefits for joint health and doing wonders for your knees, hips, and all those joints that keep you moving. So, in a nutshell, turmeric is like a joint-friendly sidekick. Digestive health and turmeric. First off, turmeric seems to have this superpower that can make your digestion a breeze. It's like a gentle assistant, making sure your stomach is happy and content. Turmeric has been known to aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive fluids. So, it's not just adding color to your curry, it's also lending a hand to your digestive process. It's not trying to replace your doctor's advice, but it could be that extra support you need. Turmeric might just be the spice that helps soothe your stomach, especially if you're dealing with issues like bloating or discomfort. And here's the exciting part, studies have explored turmeric's impact on digestion, and the results are promising. So, adding a dash of turmeric to your cooking isn't just a flavor boost, it's a potential game changer for your digestive health. Turmeric and cognitive function. It's like a superhero cape for your cognitive function. Imagine turmeric as the guardian of your brain cells, working to protect them and keep your noggin in tip-top shape. Turmeric contains something magical called curcumin. This is the compound that seems to steal the spotlight when it comes to brain health. Studies have suggested that curcumin might have a role in supporting cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a little boost, a sip of superhero juice. But how does it work? Turmeric might be acting as a shield, defending your brain against the effects of aging and stress. It's like a mini fortress, making sure your brain stays resilient and ready for whatever life throws at it. Now, here's the fun part, making turmeric a delicious part of your daily routine. Think beyond curries, consider golden lattes, turmeric-infused smoothies, or even adding a pinch to your morning oatmeal. It's not just about flavor, it's about giving your brain a tasty treat. Turmeric in daily cooking. It's not just about its anti-inflammatory or antioxidant powers. It's about making your food sing with flavor and color. Ever tried a golden latte? It's not just Insta-worthy. It's a warm hug for your taste buds. And don't stop there. Think turmeric-infused soups, stews, and even rice dishes. Your kitchen is about to become the stage for a culinary masterpiece. Turmeric isn't picky. It plays well with a variety of cuisines. Whether you're into spicy Indian curries, hearty Mediterranean dishes, or even Asian stir-fries, turmeric is your culinary sidekick. But it's not all about savory dishes. Let's bring turmeric into the sweet zone with golden milk ice cream or turmeric-infused desserts. It's a game changer, turning your treats into a health-boosting delight. Potential risks and considerations. While turmeric is a fantastic addition to your daily routine, it's crucial to consider a few things before diving headfirst into a turmeric love affair. Firstly, moderation is key. While the golden spice has a myriad of benefits, consuming excessive amounts may lead to digestive discomfort or other side effects. Remember, balance is the secret ingredient in any healthy diet. If you have pre-existing health conditions or are on medications, it's like having a heart-to-heart with your doctor. Turmeric has some blood-thinning properties, and if you're already on blood-thinning medications, too much of a good thing might tip the scales. And the golden rule? Pregnant or breastfeeding? While turmeric might feel like a superhero, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare sidekick before introducing it into your daily routine. It's like having a friend who brings so much to the table, but you need to know each other well to make the relationship work.